Did you know you could use seltzer water as a replacement for egg in a recipe? Now, in this series called Exciting Alternatives, I find ways to help you not have to sell a kidney in order to get eggs into your diet. And today we are talking about how do we use eggs as a leavening? How do we use eggs as a rising tool ingredient inside of a recipe? Now, oftentimes, say you make something like pancakes and you want them to be very fluffy. Now, one of the real keys to make sure that you have fluffy pancakes is make sure that you don't over mix them. But sometimes we use an egg in order to get that nice fluffy consistency. Now, if you don't have eggs, I'm going to give you three different ways to be able to make sure that you get your leavening or your rising in foods without the help of eggs. Now, I opened up with seltzer water, and yes, carbonated water is a way for us to be able to get eggs, well, get the effect of eggs in a recipe with our recipe. I have used it successfully in different cakes. I've used it in waffles. I've used it in pancakes, and it literally does what you expect. A fourth cup, which is 4 tablespoons, will get you the equivalent of 1 egg in a recipe. So that's one way that you can get your leavening from a product that is not eggs. Another way is, let's see, good old these two babies together. We've all been in science class, right? When we were younger, somebody made a volcano, they threw some baking soda into a cup, they put some vinegar in it, and it started to explode, right? Those bubbles formed and leavening happened in that process. So baking soda and vinegar also give us that rising effect that we get in, like from eggs. Now, another thing that we could use is something that seems a little like what? What? But it's definitely close to my heart. It is called aquafaba. Now, what is aquafaba? Aquafaba is the juice from these things right here called chickpeas. It is the branded name for chickpea juice or bean water, but like bean water doesn't sound really sexy, so it was branded aquafaba, right? So that's pretty much what it is. But what's cool about that ingredient is that it also acts as an egg replacement in food. So like it has that same kind of egg white um consistency, and it acts that way. I have successfully used aquafaba to make what do you call it? Like Swiss meringue buttercream if you've ever made that from scratch. It's an egg and butter kind of consistency or whatever. So I used it as a replacement in that. I have not done it yet myself, but I have successfully seen people make macaroons with it, and I have used it to make marshmallows. So it literally has element of eggs and things. So whenever you're